Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy. Who wants to have some fun today? Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the theme to Batman on guitar, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, to play this Batman theme on guitar, we're going to start off with a G power chord. We're going to start with our first finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, which is G here. We're going to put our 3rd finger on the 5th string 5th fret, which is make a power chord. Then we're going to put our pinky back behind here on this G on the 4th string 5th fret. And those three notes create a G power chord. We have a root, 5th, and a root. So what's going to happen here, the main riff is going to go. So the tough part is being able to go like this and move these fingers independently while you hold these two notes down. So the first part is going to go. Essentially the middle part is going. So you get this. Alright, so that's the first part. It's essentially a 12-bar blues, and then we're going to move it over. We're going to take this whole thing, we're going to move it over. And we're going to basically play a C power chord and do the exact same riff. And then we're going to go back to the 1 chord, or the G. And then we're going to go to the 5 chord, which is D. And then down to C. And then back to the 1 chord. It's basically a 12-bar blues using this chromatic riff here. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and play through the theme nice and slow, and you can go ahead and play along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's essentially how you play the Batman riff. Like I said, this is going to be a quick, easy lesson, and that's how you play the Batman riff. Hey, thanks for taking the time to check out this guitar lesson. If you want to get the guitar tablature for this, you can go ahead and head over to my Patreon page. You can get it over there. And if you like this lesson and you want to see more lessons like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I come out with a new guitar lesson. Thanks for checking out this lesson, and I will see you in the next lesson.